Prakash Shikshan Prasarak Mandal was established in the year 2000 by Shri Nishikant Dada Bhosle Patil with a view of imparting quality education and providing health services in the rural and remote areas of Western Maharashtra. Loknete Rajaram Bapu Patil Ayurvedic Medical College Hospital, PG Institute and Research Center Islampur was one of its first institutions. The college is affiliated to MEHS Nasik and is recognized by CCIM New Delhi, Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare New Delhi and Government of Maharashtra. Samhita and Siddhanta, popularly known as Department of Basic Principles, and as the name goes, the fundamentals of Ayurveda are taught in this department. Ayurvedic Samhitas are taught along with the history of Ayurveda and Padartha Vidyan, popularly known as metaphysics. Sharira Rachana. Rachana means structure. The structure of human body is taught in this department. In the modern terms, it is known as anatomy. Department of Dravyaguna. The department deals with the identification of various drugs of herbal, animal and mineral origin, their therapeutic action according to Ayurvedic concepts and their uses in various diseases. In other words, this department deals with pharmacognosy and pharmacology, Agata Tantra and Vyavahar Ayurveda, toxicology and medical jurisprudence. The subject deals with many different poisons, mineral, vegetable and animal poisons, their effects and antidotes. Many effective antidotes have been elaborated in Ayurvedic Samhitas which are easily accessible. Rasashastra and Bhaishajya Kalpana. Rasashastra means Ayurvedic pharmaceutics, and as such it deals mainly with the drugs of mineral origin, their varieties, characteristics, processing techniques, properties and their therapeutic uses, along with the descriptions of various apparatus, different kinds of furnaces, heating devices and heating schedules. Bhaishajya Kalpana or processing of drugs means doing samskar on drugs in order to establish change in the qualities and properties of the drugs, either by inducing a new property or removing the existing one, and finally making the drug safe and more effective. Teaching pharmacy. Teaching pharmacy is attached to the Rasashastra and Bhaishajya Kalpana department, in which one can see procedures of Ayurvedic formulations which are then used in the hospital. Our pharmacy stands in support to the hospital by preparing and proving the basic Ayurvedic preparations. Swastharutta. In the modern terms, it comes under preventive and social medicine. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam, athurasya vikara prashamanam cha. Prevention of a healthy body and treatment for the diseased body is the prime motto of Ayurveda. Swastharutta department deals with the first half of the motto. Prevention of diseases through various regimens have been elaborated in Swastharutta. Dinacharya, daily regimen, Ritucharya, seasonal regimen, Ahara Kalpana or diet regimen is given importance in this department. Nutritional values and their importance of various diet regimens is dealt with in this department. Public health, which deals with social hygiene, all communicable diseases, national health programs are taught here. Yoga and pranayam are taught to the students as a part of their curriculum, which improves their physical and mental health. Nisargopachar or nature cure are also taught, as in the fundamentals of Ayurveda it is told that both the body and nature are formed of 5 elements, that is Pancha Mahabhutas. In order to impart more knowledge regarding these aspects, visits to other institutions are scheduled each year. Stri Rog and Prasuti Tantra. Gynecology and obstetrics, as known in the modern terms. Emphasis on the health of a woman is given. Healthy women can bear a healthy child. Hence, the care of woman is given importance. Healthy women gives a healthy society. Garbha Samskar is emphasized by our staff and students for a better progeny and a better tomorrow. All women camps, ANC camps, Garbha Samskar camps are conducted regularly for this purpose. Normal deliveries, caesarean sections whenever needed, and other related surgeries are performed under skilled staff. The students gain good knowledge regarding the pre- and post-surgical procedures and handling of such cases. Kaumara Bhrutya. Kaumara means a child and Bhrutya means care. This department deals with the child care in healthy and diseased conditions. Childhood lays the foundation for adulthood and old age, both physically and mentally. The department not only deals with the physical well-being of a child, but also mental development and well-being is given importance. It includes all procedures or samskaras needed to be done on a child right from the birth until it attains the age of 16 years. Procedures of a newborn, feeding, weaning, etc. have been elaborated in this subject. Children are our tomorrow. Hence, proper care for their development and progress is very important, which is done through this department. Suvarna Prashan program is done through this department for the same purpose. Shalyatantra. Shalyatantra mainly deals with procedures requiring surgical interventions. Sushrut Samhita, written by the oldest known surgeon Acharya Sushrut, is taught in this department. The usefulness, uniqueness and the practicability of the procedures can be understood. Our department specializes in anorectal procedures using Kshara Sutra, which are prepared in the department itself. Jalokavcharan, bloodletting, Agni Karma and Kshara Karma are the other procedures taught here. There is a display of huge number of eye-catching charts and models which by themselves create an interest in the subject for the students. Tutorial rooms are well furnished and so are the other sections of the department. Special camps are arranged regularly by the department to bring in awareness regarding easy and cheaper procedures which can be availed by the people from far and near. Shalakya Tantra. This subject deals with the diseases and treatment of Urdhvajatrugata Vyadhis, or in easy terms to say, diseases of the head and neck region. It includes diseases and treatment of eyes, ears, nose, throat, oral cavity and cranium. Shalaka or probe is the main instrument in this department, hence is known as Shalakya Tantra. This department includes ophthalmology, ENT, dentistry and neurosciences of the modern medicine. Special camps for such diseases are taken on regular basis in the periphery. Department of Dravyagun is attached with a herbal garden with more than 300 species of different herbs. Nakshatra Udyan is the uniqueness of this department. The plantations are done according to the star signs. Practicals for identification and uses of plants are conducted in the garden on regular basis. Spacious, well-ventilated classrooms with comfortable sitting arrangement and equipped with modern teaching aids are used. Drug testing and research lab well equipped with basic instruments required for quality test, different balances, hardness testers, hot air oven, water bath, colorimeter, pH meter, Soxhlet apparatus, double distillation apparatus, friability tester, viscometer, muffle furnace, disintegration tester, refractometers, etc. A well-set lab in all, used in quality testing of the formulations prepared in the teaching pharmacy. The same is used to teach PG scholars the importance of quality control and standardization. Central Library with more than 6,700 books in all, 4,800 Ayurvedic books, 1,500 modern books, 300 other books, many journals and magazines, well-furnished reading rooms for boys and girls, separately planned, internet and digital libraries for quick and easy access are its features. Some of the rare Ayurvedic books are available. Every department too has its own library under the control of Central Library for instant referencing in the departments during various procedures or other literature referencing. Journals and magazines are used for keeping the students updated regarding the recent advances in Ayurveda. Clinical pathology and biochemistry lab are attached to the Department of Rog Nidan and Vikruti Vignan. This is well equipped with all instruments and apparatus required for the various investigations and diagnostics. This department deals with the knowledge of etiopathogenesis and diagnosis of various diseases according to Ayurveda and modern science. In the modern terms, it is the pathology department of Ayurveda. We now enter the hospital building, reception and the waiting area with centrally seated Lord Ganesha for the spiritual well-being of the patients and others in total, and a beautiful model of the various buildings of our campus. Ours is a well-built hospital with all modern facilities along with all the Ayurvedic methods of treatment. Operation theatres with all modern equipments and instruments, intensive care units, Panchakarma section are the highlights. OT complex with 3 major operation theatres, 1 minor operation theatre, well equipped with the latest instruments to combat any emergency and major surgeries. This makes the heart of our hospital. Intensive care unit with various monitoring systems and ventilators. Dialysis unit. Female ward. Male ward. NICU. Radiology, X-ray section, ultrasonography. Panchakarma section forms the heartthrob of the hospital. Separate procedure rooms for male and female patients are used. Snehan, Swedan as pre-procedures, and Vaman, Virechan, Basti, Nasya, Shirodhara, Katibasti, Manya Basti, Karnapuran, etc. are done on regular basis. Although very young, our institution has made progress by leaps and bounds under the guidance and able administration of Sri Nishikant Dada Bhosle Patil, a man with vision and determination.